Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be in a good mood and sound health. Dear students, today is Sunday, half day for you. Schools have been thrown open for physical mode of teaching right from March 1st, 2021. Now it is a good move to attend schools regularly, have physical mode of teaching, because this digital platform can't be the substitute for the actual mode of teaching. Dear students, coronavirus is showing once again hike. Better is to follow all SOPs in letter and spirit so that this deadly virus can't catch you. Yesterday, about 40,000 people were declared as COVID positive patients in entire India. The alarming situation here, now all SOPs to be followed in letter and spirit so that this deadly virus will remain away from us. Dear students, class 12th, subject political science. Today we are dealing with very important topic in your political science, that is the Cuban Missile Crisis, for which I received a phone call from a student of BHS Taratpura. Dear students, the Cuban Missile Crisis is also called October Crisis or Caribbean Crisis or the Missile Scare. It was 1 month and 20 day confrontation between two giant states, Russia and America. In 1960, American President J.F. Kennedy was facing crisis in foreign policy. So externally and internally there was some weakness. Taking opportunity of this weakness, the Russian president started shipping ballistic missile to Cuba because the Russia has had promised to Cuba that it would save the save Cuba from the American invasion. So they started shipping ballistic missiles to Cuba and team of tacticians to operate them. But this was the development when there were firing crisis in American, and the Russian president had in mind that the American president would not react to this, and finally this did not happen. American President J.F. Kennedy met with team of advisors, and finally they started blockade to Russia. The Russian ships were not allowed. There was a blockade was made to ship the ballistic missile in Cuba. So the Cuban Missile Crisis started here. It started from October 16, 1962, and this was a long confrontation from October 16, 1962 to sometimes it is called it was up to the October 28, 1962. So that this development, when the missiles were being shipped to Cuba by Russia, is called the Cuban Missile Crisis, because this development was reacted by Americans, as it was thought that they would not react it, but they reacted it when the team of experts met President J.F. Kennedy, and they started stopping the missile, shipping them to the Cuba. The Russian president had promised to Cuba that they would save you from the American invasion. For that, this development took place. Which development? That was the missiles. Missiles were being shipped to Cuba, and the team of experts or technicians were also being shipped to Cuba to operate them. And finally, the American President J.F. Kennedy reacted to it, and the two big powers came in front, and there was a huge confrontation between the two. And it was thought that Cuban Missile Crisis will change world into nuclear war. But this did not happen when American President reacted it, and the Russian president thought that the two giant powers would bring destruction to the world because there would be a nuclear war. So the negotiations came in. So the negotiations between the American president and the Russian president started, and finally this negotiation came fruitful, and the Cuban Missile Crisis was solved. So on October 28, 1962, the negotiations were done and the Cuban Missile Crisis came to an end. And it was done in the negotiations that the Russians would disband the missiles that were sent to Cuba, and in response to this, the America will also not send missiles to Turkey and Italy. The Americans were storing there. So the missile crisis, Cuban missile crisis, came to an end. Let me repeat the things for you. In 1960, the American President J.F. Kennedy was facing crisis in the foreign policy, and there was some internal disturbance too. Taking opportunity of it, the Russian president started shipping ballistic missiles to Cuba and a team of experts to operate them. And the Russian president had thought that the American president, being weak, then would not react. And finally, the American president met with a team of advisors and they advised him to blockade the shipping of ballistic missiles to Cuba, and the Americans made blockades, and finally the two nuclear powers came in front, and there was a huge confrontation, and that would have changed the world into the nuclear war. And finally, there was the negotiations. In the negotiations was done that the Russians would not further send any ballistic missile to Cuba, and will also disband the missiles sent there. And in response to this, in that Americans would also not store the missiles in Turkey and Italy. So this negotiation finally culminated the Cuban Missile Crisis. Dear students, this is what the Cuban Missile Crisis was. Let me repeat the things once again. That in 1960, the American President J.F. Kennedy was facing crisis in foreign policy, taking opportunity and seeing it as an opportunity, the Russian president started shipping ballistic missiles to Cuba as he had promised. The Russians had promised to Cuba that they would save the Cuba from the American invasion. And finally, the Americans felt it, this is bad going there. JF Caddy met with a team of experts, he met with his advisors, and finally blockade was there, and the Russian development or shipping of ballistic missile to Cuba was stopped, and the two nuclear powers came into front, and there was a huge confrontation between the two. It was thought that there would be the nuclear war between the two giant powers, two superpowers, and in the end, both the president realized and capitalized it that we should end this development because it will lead world into the nuclear war. And negotiations came, and finally, on 28th of October 1962, the Cuban Missile Crisis came to an end. It ended in this manner that Americans would not ship any missile to Turkey or Italy, or they will not store missiles there. And in the response from Russia, they will not send further missiles to Cuba, and will also disband and dismantle the missile system there. Dear students, hope you might have grasped the concept. In case of any confusion or query that will strike your mind after watching this video, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number. And when you forward your query by any means, by calling or by WhatsApping, within short duration of time, your query or confusion shall be cleared. Dear students, if political science reference books available with you, do see these things on your available political science reference books and get the concept well. And there is also now the digital world is there, you can search these things on Google and get the things well. But important thing is that you have to work hard, you have to make self study. And one more important thing for is that the Coronavirus second wave is here. You must follow all SOPs in letter and spirit so that you can save yourselves from this deadly virus. Thanks. Be well, asset.